Most people get this wrong. They think Loan Pop is just another instant cash app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that Loan Pop has evolved into a full-featured financial platform offering early wage access, short-term advances, and flexible installment options to help manage your money. Here's how it works. Loan Pop allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours, making it easier to cover unexpected bills or urgent expenses without high-interest credit cards. The app also offers installment plans for eligible purchases, letting you spread payments over time to better fit your budget. The dashboard is simple and intuitive. You can track advances, monitor upcoming payments, and even analyze spending trends to make smarter financial decisions. Alerts and reminders help you stay on top of repayments and avoid costly late fees. The downside, overusing Loan Pop can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly accumulate fees, so it's best used as a temporary solution rather than a long-term crutch. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Enable notifications for upcoming payments. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on Loan Pop. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits might find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, Loan Pop in 2026 is a flexible and practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Plan ahead, track repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable financial tips to stay in control of your money.